Kothari ji, Sri Surendra Mohan, President of the Mining Engineers Association, Mr. Arijit Bagchi, Nanda ji, and Rajan Kumar, and friends. First of all, I take this opportunity of thanking Hyderabad chapter for inviting me here to share the dais for the inauguration. And secondly, also for choosing a very hot topic, that is mineral industry in India essential for growth. I suppose there is no doubt that it is essential for growth. But the things which have been happening past few years been very much horrifying experience for some of them. Of course, some of them may also not agree that minerals are essential for growth, because they may give the example of Japan. They may say that without having iron ore or coal, that country has produced steel of a very quantity and quality of a very high quality. But that's an exception. And also, those people, if you see 40 years about when the steel industry started in India, the productivity was 1 in India, and somewhere everywhere else also was 1. But in few years, Japan has gone way ahead. When we were still struggling at 2, 2.5, they are already at 5. The productivity in the blast furnaces, that is tons per cubic meters volume of the blast furnace, where the productivity is taken. In fact, in India, only after Bokaro has come, when they had the blast furnace productivity was increased to 2 or more than 2. Then TISCO also went on to more than 2. But that's only when it started, but now there are a lot of improvements. But Japan was able to take care of purchasing ore at a high price, but with their productivity and also the quality. And the efforts they have taken care for so that the system is built up. All this has happened when they realized that without the industries, the country cannot go further. But what is happening with us? Just now you agreed that it is very essential that the minerals are essential for the growth of the country. Then why all this trauma has taken place? Why all these problems are coming up in the country? In my opinion, although we are all technical people, maybe connected with mining industry or steel industry, we realize that this is essential. But people who are managing us may not be realizing it.